bong, I thought I'd rather make it out that bongs are more than just fished away people. There are other things to us as well, you know. Bonds are essentially very safe, secure. We want everything to be safe, secure. We like seeing everything in a long-term perspective. Everything is supposed to be in the long run. Ever since I was a kid, my dad has always been saying to me, son, study hard. In the long run, you will have a comfortable life. And I studied my ass off. And then I was going into the adolescent stage, and then one day my dad came to me and said, son, stop getting distracted by females. In the long run, you will have a beautiful wife. And I stopped checking out females. And then I was, getting into college and stuff, and then one day my dad came up to me and said, son, don't spend too much money. In the long run, you will have a luxurious life. And it was long run this, long run that. And I'm like 19-year-old, virgin, cheap guy. And then one day, I read this in a book. In the long run, we are all dead. And that's when it struck me. Yeah, that's true. Long run does not matter. It's the short-term pleasures that we are looking for. Because in the long run, we are all fucking dead. So I said, to hell with the bong values, to hell with the bong way of life. I'm going to live the life of a Punjabi guy. I'm going to live the life of a Punjabi guy. I'm going to do things that Punjabi guys do. So this is what I did. I wore this kada. I banged a prostitute. I did that. And I bought a tight t-shirt that said, cool over here. Yeah, I did that. And then I went into the middle of market and started shouting out at everyone, Pancho, Pancho, Pancho. That's just